Hello, this is the voice of Ikudabo Joshua, and today I will be walking you through how to create this flyer design using pixellab. So without any delay, let's dive in. So the size we'll be using for this design is 1736 by 1736. 1736 by 1736. Good. The next thing we are going to do is to import the main design, so it will be a guide for us when we are working on it. Now the design has been imported. We increase the relative size to 100 by 100. We centralize the design. Then we work on our background. The background was a gradient color. We select this third one to edit it. Then we change the color. We use our eyedropper tool. Then select the color. We click on the second part, which is the down part. We use our eyedropper tool again. Then we click on the design to select the brighter space. Good. We worked on the background. Then we hide our main design. We import the model that was used. We increase the size of the model. We lock the model, then we create a white shape. A white rectangle. This is good. The next thing we are going to do is to bring in our text. That is the name of the business, which is Grace's Guitar Sales. The font we are going to use is Aerovias. Then we increase the size. Now this is good. The next thing we are going to bring in is the ribbon that was used. The ribbon where the person placed, where the designer placed data sales. This is our ribbon. Then we erase the white color. We click on eyedropper again to erase the white color completely. Now we are good with this. Then we reduce the size or increase the length. Then we go to color filter. We reduce the hue. Now we have the same color with the color of the clothes the model is putting on. Then we bring in our text for data sales. This is Montserrat. You can plug it. The font we are going to use, we are going to use the bold version. Then we reduce the size. The next thing we are going to do is to bring in the shapes that was used for placing the price list of these shapes. So that's what we are going to do next. We go to our shapes bar, create a new shape, then we resize the shapes. resize this, we give it radius. Increase the shape a little bit more. Now this is good. We then change the color to yellow. Okay. We make a copy of the shape. Then we click on edit. After edit, we change the color to green. Yeah, we bring it down and make it fit into that space. We make a copy again. We click on edit. What we are going to create is to create a black shape. But before that, if you look at the main design, you notice that there is a shadow, a white shadow inside the boxes. There is a white shadow inside the boxes. There is a white shadow inside the boxes. There are white shadows. So I'm going to teach you this trick on how to create this white shadow. Firstly, let's lock this. We go to shape. We click on this circle or semicircle. Let's use this semicircle for this experiment. Then we go to gradient color. We edit the color. Now we choose the upper part to be full white color. Good. Now we click on the down part and we reduce the transparency. Now the down part is transparent. Then we click on OK. We are getting there already. We go back again, we re-edit it so the transparency can be more than the main color. After that, we are good with this. Then we resize it so it can fit into the box. Yes. This is good. Then we rotate it. To make it fit into the boxes. Now this is okay. Then we go to opacity. Then we reduce the opacity. Now this is okay. We make a copy and place it in each boxes. We make a copy again. Place it in each boxes, but in this time you need to rotate it to the second side. This is good. We make a copy again. This is good. Now we can hide our design. The next thing we are going to do now is to create the black shapes that was used. To write the networks. These black shapes that was used. This black shape. That's the next thing we are going to do. We go to our shape. We click on shapes. Then we follow the previous one that was used. We resize it. Now this is okay. We give it radius, let's say 4. Yes, 4 is okay. Then we change the color to color black. Now this is good. We make a copy again. Write the networks. we are going to write out the networks. The first one we are going to write is MTN. We make a copy of the previous text we've used, which is data sales. Then we add it to MTN. We capture it and increase the size a little bit. Make a copy again, we edit it and put in below. Now this is okay. The next thing we are going to do, firstly, before we do anything, we need to rearrange the shapes so that it can be aligned. We click on everything, we match everything, then we are going to match everything, then we take it to the left side a little bit so that it will be aligned. For the sake of this tutorial, we are just going to write 1 gig is equals to 250 naira. Change our fonts to Montserrat bold as we've used before. Then we change our color to black. Then we reduce the size. Bring it down. The last thing we are going to do now is to bring in the shape that was used here. This shape. We go to our shape bar, then we create another shape. This is good. We edit our color. We use our hydropat to edit our color. This is good. Now we place it properly. We make a copy of the shape, then we re-edit it into a smaller one. This is good. Bring it down here. Yes. Click on this one again. We make a copy, but we are going to change the color to color red. Yes. This is okay. We bring it down. This is good. Bring it. Then we are going to bring in our text to buy bundles. We are going to change our font to Montserrat bold as we've been using since. Then we reduce our size. To write in the phone number, we are just going to put a random phone number. Bring it down, but we are going to make the number look bigger. Yes, this is okay. This is okay. Then we'll make a copy again. You write pay into and bring it down to reduce the size. Let's add the main design to see if our work is tampered with this. So we are still on point. Then we'll bring in the name and the account details. For this time around, we'll be using the version of Montserrat that is not as bold as what we've been using. I'm going to type in a random account number. This is okay. Bring it down. Reduce the size. Now we change the color. Yes, we're going to reduce the size more. 24 is 23 will be okay. Yes, good. We make a copy. Then we write a random phone number or a random account number. Bring it down. Okay, we are going to place it very well. So with this, it remains some icon that was used, like the WhatsApp and phone call icon. I'm going to bring just the WhatsApp icon to make the video short. So if you've been going through this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and also share with your friends, with your fellow creatives.